Luke, it's like 4 a.m. and we're in Newark, New Jersey.
So tired.
The most wonderful and friendly city in the world.
Oh my God.
What are we doing here?
I'm so damn tired.
What are we doing?
Going to Disney.
So I guess it's kind of almost worth it, right?
Yeah, at least the flight's only 2 hours.
Yeah, I can sleep on the plane. So quit bitching about it. Come on. Get with it.
I think we'll be here more than us being on the plane.
Probably.
Our
Look, you tired?
must be closed, and if not, we will collect that back.
Not only are we here, but we got cows over there. Yeah. The hell are they doing in Disney?
Hey, why is
Or
that
in
cow
Orlando
over
Airport.
there?
Is it? Oh, yeah, windmills too, or whatever that is. Luke, what the hell is this? Why do we have a giant bobblehead? Thank you for pointing that out. I never would have seen it. Never would have seen it. So we're here food shopping for our trip because there's no parks today, right? Just, well, sort of. Blizzard Beach and Disney Springs. Gonna need a lot of this to deal with you this trip, I bet.
We're gonna eat cardboard.
Somebody said we got too much, but I think we got just enough.
Look. Guys, look how much.
There's a lot in there, but they had Bud Light Lime, so that's fun. Right?
Finally!
Lukey, we're home. It's a thing from Star Wars. You didn't get the reference. It's okay. You've only seen them all once. Little video. Came all this way to Disney and you're playing your iPad?
We have nothing to do right now.
Well, we're doing vlogging and then we're gonna go in the store. Okay, vlog's over. Let's go. Hey, Luke. So you said you can't believe that we made it?
I'm gonna go get
I'm happy.
with my mom.
Well, I can't believe it's not butter, and I'm very confused as to what it really is. They're waving. That's cool. I like it here. Listen, I know. Well, look. Let's go in here and see what they got. You know, I like the old look better, but this look is growing on me. Oh, pinboard. Yeah, we're probably not doing that today, buddy, because it's all packed away, but we will do that. Actually, yeah, maybe at Disney Springs, because we'll come back after the water park. There's a little hangout area. You found them?
With bells
Oh,
on.
hell yeah. Okay. Okay, that shirt is pretty cool. I might get that.
I think I'm probably gonna get a baby Mickey.
Baby Mickey? We're not doing anything today. Or yet.
Aw. Why?
We're going to Disney Springs later. You need your money for that.
Why?
She said so.
Why?
We're going to be here every single day. Daddy's going to go to the gym every day. I can stop and get you something if we need to.
Go film our picture.
Right there. Never thought we'd make the Wall of Fame. Wall of Fame, excuse me. And we did. All right, let's go cash in that orange bird picture. Your daddy's the psychopath that works out on vacation every day. Not today. Today's the day off. But let's check out the gym. Oh, someone's in there. We're not going to film, but it's locked. What are you doing? Check out the arcade while we're here. What are you doing? Why are you waiting? Why are you waiting?
Waiting for the automatic door.
Look, you have to push the button for it to be automatic.
Look at that, grand entry. Grand exit.
You would have been there all day. What would you do without me?
Should we close the door now?
Well, now, yeah. That's where we saved the turtle last year, or 2 years ago, I remember. One of those. Yeah. Turtle we saved works at Turtle Shack. What is wrong with you? But also, you're probably right. What'd you say, bud? Yeah. Daddy says that every time we pass a body of water in Florida, there's probably a gator in there. And usually I'm probably right. Hey, let's not find out though, okay?
Hey, you can face that. Don't lock the door.
Better not.
Bye.
Where are we going to now? We checked in and yeah, probably can't get much video there for obvious reasons or photos, but we have a good time. And then Springs later.
Good video on the way in.
Look, it's your biggest fan. Ready for some fun in the sun at Blizzard Beach? That's so cool. You were that little once. We are back at Disney Springs.
Lego store. That's about it.
We are back at Punching Dad.
What? John Cena's up there.
Is that where we're going for dinner?
Now let's go steal them.
What? We could. Where would we put it though? Wouldn't fit in any of the boxes or suitcases or anything.
What the heck is that?
Whoa. We had to come all the way to the tippy top.
Yeah, now we gotta go down.
Oh my God, 4 flights of stairs. I'm trying to break my legs. Look at all these figures, Luke. Luke, you think you got enough toys today? It's only day 1.